everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely gorgeous 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Killer car, guys. Love the color combination. It's Olympic gold. It's got the black SS striping and it's got the gold interior. Slick paint. Very nicely done car, guys. It's actually an older frame-off restoration that has just been very well maintained. I guess this car came out of a big car collection down in North Carolina. But you can tell somebody has loved this car. And man, you want to talk about a nice running and driving car. This car hits the road great. Olympic gold, killer color. You can see it's got the 15-inch SS rallies on it with the BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. It's got the functional cowl induction hood. It's an air car. And I apologize. I'm rushing the guys here. I'm trying to leave town, and I know some people have been waiting for some photos of this car. It's got the original T3 headlights in it. Chrome and stainless is beautiful. We ended up having to put a new radiator in this car. Just one of the seams on it was leaking, and so instead of messing around with it, we just ordered a brand new one. So, killer car, gorgeous paint. And one of those cars that you got to jump in and drive to appreciate. I'm sure that's just a bug or something up there. I just wiped right off. Great car. Love the color. I mean, it just jumps off the car. You can see new front and rear bumpers. Nice and straight down the sides. Got the chrome tips on it. Kind of car right here, you just turn the key and point the direction. It hits the road great. Front disc brakes, killer set of SS rallies on it. Now I know it's got the 454 badging all over it, but it's actually got a era correct 396 big block in it. 4-barrel stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Again, it's got the functional Z11 cowl hood on it. Factory air blows ice cold. Power steering, power disc brakes, 400 turbohydramatic trans. I barely let the guys get this thing wiped down. Unfortunately, I was supposed to leave here about 20 minutes ago, but I'll try to get on the road here in a minute. So they will wax it. They will get it cleaned up. It's a little dusty out here. That right there. I mean, they'll clean that up, guys. Nice car. Dual chrome mirrors. I think I already did that, sorry. Did not. Door handles are nice. Original door tag in there. Door seams are nice and clean. Love the gold on gold. Bit of discoloration here. bucket seats, center console. It's got the SS wheel in it. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Headliner looks good. Factory tach and gauges. 6906 is what's supposed to be on your restoration. Factory AM/FM radio. Dash pad's nice. Maybe the clock in there is working. And like I say, you want to talk about a car that just hits the road, great. Dual exhaust, stock 12-bolt rear end. It does have the box control arms, rear sway bar. Not a big gear. Factory air car, probably, I think 331s is what they were supposed to be. Jack with spares in there. I believe they said it's got all the original body panels on it. That's just the paint flaking a little bit in there. But great car. Great car. Clean underneath. As always, there'll be photos on our website. So make sure you're on our website. southernmotors.com, spelled just like it sounds. We've had somebody clone our Facebook page. Make sure that you're on the right Facebook page. Yeah, cloned our website. I've turned that into the FBI. It's just running rampant. The scams are terrible right now, guys. Like I say, make sure you're on our website. And pick up the phone and call us, man. 248-620-3355. Sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself, man. I'm running late, so. You can just kick your air on, air blows cold. It's a great car, man. Flapper hood works. Do this with one hand with a bad shoulder. Flapper hood, like I say, it works. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges are functional in there. Opens and closes real nice. The fit and finish is real nice. Oh, backup lights work. Does that work?
It works. Just takes a minute to power up.
Oh yeah, when it powers up, blows your eardrums out. Yep, yeah. Factory AM/FM works. Blower motor does work. Wipers are functional. Everything on that thing's working. Okay, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that on our Facebook page, our Instagram page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Check us out and subscribe to our website. You can do that at southernmotors.com.